journey is for the children to be able to mahiwalay muna sila sa kanilang mga gadgets, sa kanilang daily routine na kasi sa mga bata yung magamit ng kanilang gadgets. So, Unplug for me is to be able them to separate muna sa kanilang mga gadgets.
Nangutana siya gabi, mami, unsa man gyud na ugma. Iko na workshop. Unsay buhaton kay di gina gusto nga magstorya or kanang naa sila ang center of attention, di gina sila gusto. Ang ako lagi sa workshop, pag-usad abdal is just some fun.
Kung ako mama dari magkinilakanay po dyan mi. Kikapayasan man mi duha.
Ang akong body si Ma'am 𝘰𝘰𝘬𝘪𝘯𝘲, mura siya akong mama yun. Iyang edad, iyang appearance, pero akong mama. So, mura po kong naging istorya sa akong mama. Siya po, mura po naging istorya sa anak. So, mo nang grabe yun ang among emotion. So, mga to, salamat kayo.
I love you, and you are my strength. Be careful of your health, be careful of yourself. Be good child of God, because without you, I have no more strength. So, you are my strength, so be careful. And be a good child of God. So, every children are the strength of their parents. So, children should be very careful. Children should obey their parents, because you are the strength of your parents. Without you, we have no more strength.
Hello everyone, I am Christina. I am a mother of Cyrus, and I'm so happy to experience a very wonderful opportunity today, which is Unplug. I am very much thankful na naka-join ani na activity, because as a parent, I have acquired a lot of experiences and knowledge in which I know it would give me an assistance in bringing up my child Cyrus to become a better person in the family and in the community. So I encourage everyone to experience Unplug, sponsored by 𝘭𝘠𝘓𝑚 Wellness. Thank you very much and good day.